Hey guys, so today we're making Kulfi, an Indian ice cream. So as you can see here, I've whisked my whipped cream. You whisk it for a really long time. Now, so I whisked this one, okay? Next we need condensed milk.
That's okay, just pour it like that only.
How much?
The whole thing.
Pour the whole thing inside. Next, we add 1 can of evaporated milk. Next, we need some pawn shot syrup. Let's taste what we've made so far. Super! Now we add crushed pistachio nuts. We add them in the bag. Time to fill the kulfi molds. Kulfi mold is like a little ice cream stick. Once you fill the kulfi in the molds, it goes in the freezer, and the next day the kulfi will be ready to eat. Thank you, see you soon.